cut. Marinate for an hour. Okay. Crush pepper. Oh, super hot yun eh. Okay. Good luck. Just add a little oil
Doon sa marinated
sa
na, no?
marinated na pork.
Red pepper,
bit.
lemon pepper,
Or,
crushed red pepper, soy sauce. Okay?
this is our version of grilled chili and peppered pork.
Uy, kalami. Okay. So, ano na siya, ma'am? Spicy kayo ni ma'am?
Extra hot.
Wow, extra hot.
Look at the
So,
chili
maanghang.
flakes.
Chili flakes.
So maanghang. For those chili lovers. Quite spicy but delicious.
Okay.
Cover ko na ha.
Sige. Mga ilang minutes po ang balik?
After 5 minutes.
Okay.
Baliktaran na.
Baliktad na. So, 5 minutes na po ba ang nakaraang dumaan?
Yes po.
Okay,
5 minutes.
Wow!
Enough na mag-tenderize konti ang meat. Huwag masyadong mainit para juicy pa rin. Okay? Close ko na.
Close ko na din. Balik ko naman after.
5 minutes again.
Okay, bye. Wow! Gusto na ba, ma'am?
Done na.
Done na. Okay.
Okay?
So, ready to serve na po.
Yes. Okay. Done?
Grilled chili and peppered pork.
Okay.
Go. Ito na po. Ito na po, ma'am.
Yep.
This is called grilled chili and peppered pork. Wow. Ang sarap. Very delicioso. Thank you. Grilled chili and peppered pork. Bye. Until next time.